I think it's one of the hardest transitions ever, and that's like why we started the podcast. But transitioning from an athlete into like something in real life and being able to channel that.
Yeah, for sure. I told people that you know, when they ask kind of what the difference is, I tell them you have to look at it like when you play a college sport, whether it be football, whatever it may be, and obviously we're going to use football just because that's our experience, but you go from playing in stadiums of 40 plus thousand, 70 plus thousand, some people 100,000 plus every week, you know what I mean? And the adrenaline that you get from that is off the charts. And this isn't to knock a lot of things, but when you talk about, you know, depression and people really struggling to find an identity, like what we talk about on our podcast, you know, you're struggling because you're looking for something that's going to give you that type of rush in life. Bro. And it's really hard to find something in life that's going to give you the same adrenaline rush of 100,000 plus in a stadium on a Saturday night.
Making a play.
You know what I'm saying?
Dogging somebody.
And that's why most of us go into law enforcement. If you think about it, they go into law enforcement because it's the danger, it's the fear of it. It's a rush. So when you really think about why a lot of athletes become something in law enforcement, it's typically because of the rush. It's because it's uncertain, you know, but that's kind of what we've learned to thrive off of.
You've been programmed into.
Yeah.
For me, I like the grind of it. I like the hype though, dude. Like I love the hype. Like imagine me and Kalani were talking about it. A game-winning touchdown in the Super Bowl, or like when Vince Young beat USC. USC,
man.
Like bro, like it doesn't get much better than that. Like that is, like you're the epitome of in my eyes. Like that is
100%,
100% dog moment.
100%.
Nothing in business. I heard a dude talking the other day, and he was like, "Hey, bro, yeah, we just hit $100 million, but nobody was cheering for me." No, like, you know what I'm saying? There wasn't any cheerleaders. Like, it wasn't anything special. It was just like, all right, here we are. And like, it's a really big accomplishment.
Hell yeah, it is. It's an accomplishment to hit $1 million.
Right?
You know what I mean? But
the
only person that know you hit it, you know what I mean? Because then you're bragging, right? So the only person that knows you hit it is really just you and your team, really.
Right. I mean, you and your business partner, but then like your wife doesn't understand what it is. Like no one really gets like, dude, we did it. Like I've been thinking about this for a while.
What it takes to get there, and just what the hurdles you had to climb over to get there is, you know what I mean? Like that's life changing and stuff like that. So
I get a good job, babe.
Huh?
I get a good job, babe.
Good job, babe.
The
neglect means something.